What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to clear system data storage on your iPhone and free up multiple gigabytes of space. System data includes things like temporary files, app caches, and leftover data that builds up over time. While there is no direct clear system data button on iOS, the key is to clear out cache files from various apps, as these are the main culprits behind bloated system data. First, open the Settings app and search for Safari in the search bar above. Tap on it, scroll down a bit, and then choose Clear History and Website Data. This will remove cached web data that Safari has stored, which alone can free up a significant amount of space. Next, search for the App Store in the search bar. Tap on it, and then scroll down to Personalized Recommendations. Tapping it will open the App Store app. Here, look for the option to clear app usage data. Tap on it, and this will clear cached data related to your App Store activity. Now, go through the apps you use regularly. Apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and video editors often store temporary data or leftover files from projects. For example, in Snapchat, go to your profile, tap the settings icon, scroll down to Clear Cache and confirm. This can instantly free up a couple of gigabytes depending on your usage. If you use WhatsApp, open the app, go to Settings, Storage and Data, Manage Storage. Review the files taking up space. Delete unnecessary videos, photos, or large files that you no longer need. Also, don't forget to check apps like video editors or file managers that might be holding onto old project files or offline content. Deleting these can have a direct impact on reducing system data. And finally, restart your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right to open the control center and tap on the power button at the top right. A drag to slider screen will appear. Drag the slider to the right to power off your device. Now, to power on, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on. Restarting forces your iPhone to recalculate storage data, and often you will see a noticeable drop in system data right after the reboot. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.